Guys, we've not put salt in this, so we'll just be adding salt when it is on your plate. Okay, now I think this is ready. You see how golden brown it has turned into. This is now the color. Beyond this one, they will be very too crunchy and somehow hard to chew. So this is the best right now. Let me remove. Like this. I have to let it drain some cooking oil a bit. Then remove some more. Let it drain a bit. We can now add a pinch of salt to taste on top of this. But we are also preparing something called the kachumbari, which is these onions and tomatoes that you can eat with this. Okay, in this case, let me prepare 1 onion and 1 tomato. I'm not an expert in cutting onion. Let me place that tomato there, then chop this onion into. Then we mix with the tomato. So tomato we do cubes. We are done. This is now kachumbari. This kachumbari, we do a little salt, very little, yeah. Then when you want to eat this and this, you can just mix. Let me serve something small here. This size. And then because I've just sprinkled some salt here, I have to mix a bit so that it spreads uniformly. Then you want to eat this, you pour a little of this and you are good to go. Very yummy.